The bird seeds bar processing line is a fully automatic solution for producing high-quality bird seed bars with stable performance and high efficiency, with a production capacity of around 3,000 pieces per hour. This line meets the needs of medium to large-scale manufacturing. The system integrates feeding, mixing, forming, cooling, cutting, and final conveying all in one continuous process. A non-stick pressing system helps maintain the natural texture of seeds while ensuring excellent bonding strength. Product width and thickness can be easily adjusted to support different shapes and sizes. Equipped with a PLC control system and a friendly touchscreen interface, operators can monitor production in real time and adjust settings quickly. All parts that contact food are made of stainless steel, guaranteeing hygiene, durability, and easy cleaning.